Welcome to our epic journey from Modesto, California to the breathtaking Yosemite National Park. We start our adventure by driving through the picturesque Sierra Nevada mountains, soaking in the stunning landscape along the way.
Remember to like and subscribe to get notified about our latest content.
As we approach Yosemite, we encounter a long stretch of one-lane road. This is due to ongoing road maintenance and construction efforts to preserve the natural beauty and safety of the park. The steep terrain and frequent rock slides in this area make regular upkeep essential. So while the drive may be slow, it's all part of ensuring that visitors can enjoy Yosemite's stunning vistas safely.
Welcome to Roadies Roam the World. We're at Yosemite National Park, and today we're going to be exploring some of the visitor center. We might take a couple short hikes, but we're not planning on doing too much hiking today. We're going to save that for the next few days. But here we have El Capitan in the background, and it is magnificent in person.
Join us on our adventure.
Good morning.
Do you guys need a map?
Yes, absolutely.
Hey, did you have plans on coming back tomorrow or
Yep.
Yes.
We have reservations.
Nice.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
As we enter Yosemite, our first breathtaking sight is El Capitan, the towering granite monolith that stands over 3,000 feet tall.
That's El Cap, isn't it?
That's it.
Holy crap. That is one big piece of...
All right, we just entered Yosemite National Park not too long ago, and our first big sighting is this guy here. This is El Capitan. Okay, so El Capitan, and then not much less impressive, we have over here some other huge peaks and a pretty waterfall.
This iconic landmark is a favorite among rock climbers from around the world. Fun fact, in 2017, Alex Honnold became the first person to free solo climb El Capitan, accomplishing it in 3 hours and 56 minutes, a feat captured in the documentary Free Solo. Next, we head to the Visitor Center in Yosemite Village to acclimate ourselves to the park. Here, we learn about the park's rich history and diverse ecosystem. Yosemite was established as a national park in 1890, and it played a pivotal role in the development of the national park idea thanks to the efforts of naturalist John Muir.
All right, we stopped at the Yosemite Valley Visitor Center, Welcome Center, whatever it's called, and we grabbed a little bit of lunch, and we have a view of Half Dome from here that I wanted to show you. So, hi Kit, and there, that's Half Dome. We're gonna go get a less obstructed view of her, if I can talk. All right, so we spotted some climbers, and I am zoomed up all the way on them. So there's a group here, and then there's another couple climbers here on this ledge here. They are so small. We are way closer to El Capitan right now than we were earlier, but even as close as we are, these climbers are just specks. So pretty cool that we get to see some people climbing the cap.
Our journey continues to Tunnel View, one of the most iconic photo spots in Yosemite. From here, we capture stunning views of El Capitan, Half Dome, and Bridalveil Fall, all in one frame.
Half Dome. And
What? Can you take me to the rock?
El Cap.
This spot has been attracting visitors and photographers since the construction of the Wawana Tunnel in 1933. We continue our adventure with a scenic drive to Olmsted Point. As we wind through the park, we pass through lush meadows and towering forests of sequoias and pines. Along the way, we're treated to incredible views of high country, including Tenaya Lake, a pristine alpine lake that's perfect for a quick stop to admire its crystal clear waters.
Named after landscape architect Frederick Law Olmsted, the Olmsted Point Lookout offers incredible views of rocks with fissures, Half Dome, and some of the park's most amazing vistas. Olmsted is best known for designing New York City's Central Park, and his influence from Yosemite's natural beauty is evident in his design of the city's iconic park.
All right, so that is Cloud's Rest right there. And then this right here is Half Dome. Just the side of Half Dome that you don't go up the cables. And I don't know, it's too far away to see if there's people up there, but I don't even know if the cables are up yet, or at this point.
After taking a short hike, we reach an even better viewpoint.
Hi, we wanted to tell you a little bit about where we are. We're at Olmsted?
Yep.
Olmsted Overlook. And so there's a trail that you can take that comes down and then kind of off to the side, and like nobody is here. There's people up at the overlook, but this is another overlook, and you can get a little bit better view of Half Dome, which should be right behind us, right there. And then the other thing that I pointed out earlier when we were back on top at the overlook was Cloud's Rest, which is right up there.
From this height, we can see the Hetchy Reservoir, located at the north end of the park. The reservoir is a crucial water source for San Francisco, but is steeped in controversy, as it flooded a valley that John Muir once described as a twin to that of Yosemite Valley. After soaking in the views, we depart to ensure we arrive at our charming bed and breakfast in Oakhurst, just outside of the park at a reasonable time. Join us for the next episode when we continue to explore the natural wonders and misty trails of Yosemite National Park.
See you next time on Roadies Roam the World.
Just remember, you're driving.
I am driving, I realize.
Well,
That's what I'm planning on doing.
don't be a looky-loo.
Look at
I don't want to see what I don't want to see what's in the bottom of these hills.
Okay.